Rice is a staple in many households because it's budget friendly and it takes no time to cook. I personally am a huge fan because there are different ways that you can whip up rice. For example, in this recipe, we are going to be making some delicious pumpkin rice, which is going to turn out flavorful, loaded with lots of nutrients, with a very nice tropical flavor since we're going to be adding in some coconut. And it's a perfect side dish to serve over lunch, dinner, or enjoy the rice just as is. And it's also perfect for meal prepping. Yeah, just make it, keep it in the fridge and enjoy along the week. Prep up your key ingredient, which is pumpkin, that is peeling and chopping up into bite-sized pieces. Also, you're going to chop up some onion, garlic. You'll need 1 cup of rice, cooking oil, coconut cream, 1 beef stock cube, which you can substitute with vegetable stock cube to make the recipe vegan, a few spices, salt, and you are going to find everything listed in the description box in the right quantity. So we are going to get straight into cooking by placing a pan over medium flame, and I've been soaking my rice for around 10 minutes. Yes, so I'm ready to cook. I'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to get ready for frying up my onions. Add in your onions and saute for around a minute until the onions are soft. When the onions are soft, you're going to add in 4 crushed garlic cloves. And the garlic is going to add in a very nice garlic flavor to the pumpkin rice. So you're going to cook for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds or until you notice that the garlic has a lovely color and also the kitchen is smelling incredible. While the onions and garlic are cooking, I'm going to be adding in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, onion powder, and curry powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can see the onions and garlic have a nice color. So you're going to toss the spices for around 30 seconds, and this is going to make the rice very flavorful. Add in your soaked rice, and all the lovely flavors from the spices to the onion flavor and garlic are going to sit in the rice while toasting for around 1 minute. The rice is very delicate because we have been soaking for 10 minutes, so don't stir in too much because it's going to break into pieces and the rice is not going to turn out amazing because we will have some broken rice. Now I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of water because we are cooking 1 cup of rice. Add in some salt. This is going to season the rice. Then I'm going to stir in. Add in a chicken stock cube, which is going to add in a very nice flavor. You can also add in some beef stock cube. Add in your pumpkin at this point. Stir in and cook your rice for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the water is fully evaporated. So we are adding in the pumpkin at this point because it cooks really fast, and because we don't want it to break down, this is the perfect timing to add in your pumpkin. Pumpkin is low in saturated fats and cholesterol levels, which means that it's perfect whenever you want to eat some low calorie food. Also, it's rich in vitamin A and E, has minerals like potassium, which is perfect for you, and is high in fiber. My water has come to a boil and everything is looking so good. I still have some coconut cream which I'm going to be adding after checking the seasoning. I need a little bit more salt. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon. Add in my coconut cream, which is going to cook together with the rice and pumpkin. Stir in the coconut cream, and immediately you'll notice that the rice is looking very creamy. Once the water is fully evaporated, you're going to reduce the flames to low, cover your pot, and slowly simmer your rice for around 5 minutes. And this is going to perfectly cook the rice, and it's going to turn out very fluffy. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check on my rice, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to check if my pumpkin is well cooked. As you can see, the fork can run through. I'm going to add in lots of coriander, which is going to add in flavor and color to the rice. Use my fork, fluff up a little bit. You can see how delicate the pumpkin is. And once everything is ready, you're going to serve. Just look how perfectly cooked the rice is looking. It has a very nice, gorgeous color. This is how my pumpkin rice is looking after serving, and it's gorgeous. Just look at this. We have a very nice brownish color since we browned our onions. We have the pumpkin, which is tender and has a very nice coconut flavor. Generally, the rice is delicious, and it's going to be your new favorite way to cook up some pumpkin, and everything is going to be amazing.